Presenting a pre-owned 2017 Mercedes-Benz. This two-door convertible has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine with rear-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Mercedes-Benz is a great value with less than 50,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 23 miles per gallon in the city and 31 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, wireless data link, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.